In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. If your Telegram files crawl along or time out, this quick approach can help you pull them down faster by using a bot that turns files into direct links, which often download more quickly than in-app transfers. First, open Telegram. For best results, do this on your phone using the Telegram mobile app. That way, you'll see the full set of search results and bot prompts exactly as intended. Make sure the app is open and you're signed in, and give it a second to fully load your chats before you continue. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type File to Link Bot. You're looking for a reputable bot whose purpose is to convert Telegram files into downloadable links. Open the bot from the search results. If you see multiple similar options, choose one that looks established and clearly states it generates direct links. Keep the app on your phone for this part so the results and buttons display correctly and you can respond to any prompts without delay. Now, start and complete the process inside the bot chat. Tap Start to initialize the bot and read the short instructions it provides. Typically, you'll either send the file directly to the bot or forward the message that contains the file you want to download. Follow the on-screen guidance it gives you, step by step. If the file is large, allow a moment for the bot to process it. Keep Telegram in the foreground while it works so nothing is paused in the background. The bot will then return a direct download link or a mirrored version of your file, which you can copy or tap. Always make sure you have permission to download and share any content you process through a bot. Finally, try downloading again. You can open the link the bot generated in your browser, or if the bot instructs otherwise, use the provided button to fetch the file. In many cases, this route pulls the file from a faster server or a less congested path, which noticeably improves speed and reliability. If the first attempt is still slow, give it a moment and retry, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which path your device handles better for that specific file. That's it. By opening Telegram, searching for a file to link bot on your phone, completing the bot's simple prompts, and then downloading again using the link, you can often bypass sluggish in-app downloads and get your files much faster.